Star Voice of India 2 is an Indian television singing competition. Star Voice of India 2 premiered on the 18th of July 2008. It stands for second season of Gajendra Singh and Urban Brew's previous show Star Voice of India. This season replaces all old judges with 3 new judges. The 2 finalists on the show were Ravi Shukla and Saptaparna Chakraborty. A 3-hour grand finale was held at the Andheri Sports Complex in Mumbai on the 21st of December. In the presence of prominent singers like Jagjit Singh, Ila Arun, and Sonu Nigam during the course of the finale, the finalists conducted several performances and were often joined by their former rivals. In a spirit of cooperation and unity, a special remembrance video was assembled to remember the late Jagjit Singh, who is the first winner of Star Voice of India series. In order to sustain his memory, the show presented the first Jagjit Singh Singing Award to Ranat Sonar of Assam, a contestant on the show. At the end of the show, Ravi Shukla of Delhi was crowned the winner by guest Sonu Nigam. As part of the winner's package, Ravi was awarded a brand new Chevrolet car along with a check for Rs. 2.5 million. In addition to the bonus gift, Ravi was awarded an exclusive contract with T-Series to launch his first album. Both Ravi and Saptaparna were awarded trophies by their gurus, Monty Sharma and Ismail Darbar respectively. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.